Whenever I think of Christmas night, I imagine the sky turning bright white. But tell me, if angels started singing midnight, what would you do?
I'd first check if I'm dreaming. But really, I'd be amazed. Imagine angels filling up the sky and says David's Savior is born. Anyone would be speechless.
And the song says the shepherds were shocked in the field. Do you think they expected anything special on a normal night?
Not at all. They were just guarding sheep. And then the wind blows, the sky glows, and angels gave them news that changed history. Honestly, I would run faster than my sheep.
Then the shepherds rushed to see baby Jesus. Tell me, if someone says the King of Kings has arrived, wouldn't you expect a palace?
Of course, but the beauty is, he came in a simple manger. Mary's little son, wrapped in cloth, yet the true Messiah. No wonder the song says they saw him and were blessed.
All these scenes make my heart feel so full. Does that song give you that sweet, joyful feeling too?
Absolutely, and that's why it ends with the heart sings the sweetness. And today, our students are ready to bring that sweetness to the stage.
Bravo! You guys were phenomenal. Cheer them on, folks.